One of the things I love to do the most is carving. Once I make a piece thrown, then I like to hand carve it. And that makes it even more unique. I take a sketchbook with me everywhere I go, and if I'm sitting somewhere and I see something, I quickly draw a sketch, and that's where some of my carvings come from. And my particular style right now is Southwest. I've had very good feedback from a lot of people that buy my work. One lady last year at the hospice sale, I had a platter that I hand built, and she walked up and she looked at it. She didn't turn it over and look at the price. She said, "I want that, walk that up to the register for me." And I saw her here a few months ago, and she said, "I absolutely adore that platter. I use it all the time." I've never had somebody come back and say, "Ooh, take this back. I don't want this." You know what I mean? I get good feedback from people. What I really like about pottery is I like to make things that are functional. I love to be able to use the things that I make in my own kitchen. That glaze on the final firing makes that dishwasher safe and microwave safe. And so now I put a mask on, I go in the glaze room, and I can mix a glaze, and I can experiment with different colors, which that's one of the ways to keep my pottery unique. I will mix a color that nobody else has in a small batch and then glaze several of my pieces. This is what makes me want to get up in the morning, throwing pottery. This is what puts a smile on my face.